In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Webflow using custom coding. This approach is more advanced and allows you to build a full integration tailored to your needs. If you're ready to dive into this process, let's get started. First things first, you need to set up your Stripe account and get your API keys. Stripe is a powerful platform for managing online payments, and these API keys are crucial as they enable communication between your Webflow site and the Stripe platform. Head over to the Stripe website, create an account if you haven't already, and navigate to the API keys section. Here, you will find two types of keys, your secret key and your publishable key. Keep your secret key safe and secure, as it should never be exposed publicly. Next, we'll need to install the Stripe libraries appropriate for your web application's backend. These libraries serve as the bridge between your site and Stripe, enabling seamless payment processing. Choose the library that corresponds with the programming language or framework you're using for your backend. Once downloaded, follow the setup instructions provided by Stripe to integrate them into your project. Now, let's talk about integrating Stripe with Webflow. This part of the process involves using Webflow's backend capabilities or perhaps a custom backend to handle the integration logic. Begin by collecting payment details on the client side using Stripe's front-end tools. Stripe offers a variety of user-friendly tools designed to make collecting payment information straightforward and secure. Implement these tools into your Webflow site to ensure that the payment method data is collected accurately and securely. Once you have the payment details, the next step involves submitting this payment information to your server-side endpoint. This server-side endpoint acts as a checkpoint, ensuring that any sensitive information is processed in a secure environment. It's here that your back-end code will interact with Stripe's API to complete the payment process. Crucially, processing payments on the server side helps to maintain the security and integrity of the transaction by protecting sensitive information. To set this up, you need to create a server-side endpoint designed to handle requests from your Webflow site. This endpoint will be responsible for communicating with Stripe to securely process payments. Ensure that your server is configured to accept and respond to these requests correctly. Also, thoroughly test this endpoint to confirm it's processing payments as expected without any hitches. And that's the full process of integrating Stripe with Webflow using custom coding. While it's indeed a more advanced approach, it provides unparalleled flexibility and control over your payment system. By setting up a personalized integration, you can cater to unique business needs and offer a seamless experience for users. Take your time to experiment and test each part of the process to ensure everything functions smoothly and securely. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or comments you might have.